everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do a behind the scene of a YouTuber tag. It was tagging by Isa Tixon and MJ Dresser and Sis Brevy, Makeup by Brevy, and lalagay ko na lang yung video link nila sa description box. Okay? Question number 1, what camera do you use? I am using a Lumix Panasonic at saka yung Canon Exos. Minsan chini-change ko lang sila dalawa. Okay. Question number 2, who filmed for you? Nobody filmed for me, only by myself. What editing system do you use? I am using Movie Maker. Do you use artificial or natural light? I am using artificial light from the ceiling and from this. Number 5, what top item on your filming wish list? Equipment. First is good quality of the camera, like DSL or Canon or Nikon. But yung hinahunting ko talaga ay yung Canon 70D, basta yun, 7D ba yun, basta yun, kasi may mayroong 700D and 7D, kasi iwan ko sa mas mura yung 7D, pero pag-ipunan ko yun. Good quality of camera. Actually, mayroon akong DSLR na Nikon 3000, pero wala yung video. Good lang siya for photography or photo. Kaya I need a with camera, with video. Okay, number 6, what is your favorite day of the week to film? I love Monday and Wednesday. Number 7, do you plan your video is if so how? Hindi ako nagpa-plan kung kailan na yung I have na good mood ako, yun mag-film ako. Pero mas maganda nga talaga yung na-try ko na mag-plan ng mga video ko. Okay naman. This time, wala akong plan. Kung kailan lang magka-mood ako, yun mag-film ako. If I have a mood, then I will do filming. Okay, number 8, how long does it take you to film the average video? Maybe it took me 1.5 hours or 2 hours. How many hours do you spend editing the average video? Depende sa klase ng pag-film ko. Maybe it took me 2 hours, 3 hours. At depende din sa laptop ko if hindi nagluloko. Pag hindi nagluloko, maybe took me 1 hour or 2 hours, but the average is 3 hours. Favorite type of video to film, I love tutorial, or I love collaboration, makeup tutorial. I love that because it's so fun and so challenging kasi madami kayo, diba? Yun. Do you people at your school or work know about your channel? Kasi hindi ko alam kung nasaan napalot na yung mga classmate ko. Wala silang alam. My family, some of my few friends here, they know I have a channel, but I'm not sure if they are watching. But my husband knows. He always watching my video. What is your process of thinking of a video idea? I don't have, depende sa mood ko. Pero I was thinking, minsan nagsisearch ako sa ibang beauty guru na anong magandang kulay or pagka-smoky eye, diba? Yun. Makeup tutorial o eye makeup tutorial. Number 13, do you feel awkward filming around the other people? Yes, I am very awkward, especially kung mag-go-off ako, yun, nahihiya ako mag-vlog. Pag nandyan yung friend ko, na if you're watching my vlog, her name is Cheryl, pakapalmoks na, wala na akong hiya. But if I'm alone, I feel awkward. Number 14, do you have a YouTube friend that you like to plan video with? Yeah, I love my team collab. Wala naman ako hindi naman ako nag-expect na collab sa mga highest YouTuber na parang sikat na. Yun. Wag na natin silang suportahan kasi may kita na sila. Ang dapat natin suportahan ay yung mga bago na nag-umpisa pa lang. Kaya I love my team collab. What is your subscribers goal by the end of the year? Sana makaabot ako ng 300 man lang, or I'm not sure kung makaabot ng 500 sa end of this 2015. Wish. Please subscribe. Okay, last, who do you tag to do this tag next? Ilalagay ko na lang yung name na hindi pa nakagawa itong tag, and I will tag you. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!